plug calling.
I'm being recorded.
Oh,
Huh?
what?
You recording what I'm saying now?
No.
Yes, you will. You said this. That woman said this call is being recorded. You think I'm stupid? You must think I'm crazy. You look. You know you young people must think seniors is crazy. But you can record. It don't matter to me. You can let everybody hear it too. About my niece.
You got good ears.
What? I sure do. I can hear real good, honey.
You got real good ears. I
Why
I,
you
rec-
say
I,
that?
re- I recorded me and Jermaine conversation. He even hear that recording part
Oh, what recording part?
when she just said you being recorded. He didn't even hear that when I recorded him.
Oh, he did. Well,
He
girl,
didn't.
I can hear really, really good out both of these ears.
Wow.
I can hear look. Somebody could be in their living room talking low, and I bet you I can hear everything they say.
You know what? You blessed. 79 years old. You blessed. You are so blessed. God has been good to you.
I know it.
My Lord.
And you know what else I can do?
What?
If I'm walking, say for instance somebody's like from here to if I'm coming up and somebody's sitting outside,
Uh-huh.
I can read their lips and see what they say.
Ooh. Wow.
Why you think I stormed in that community room one time? When they was talking, girl, they was talking, and they had the doors cracked, but I heard what they said, and I stormed in there
Mm.
and had my hand on my hip. I said, I'm not the only one living that's named Mary. I said, now, if you're going to say Mary, you better, damn it, say the last name, because if you're talking about me, say it to my face. Anybody in here want to speak up? Speak up now. That's
You
what I
are a
said.
trip.
I had my hand on my hip, too,
You a trip.
and I walked out.
And you
Girl,
walked
look,
out.
they talks about, look, they will grin in your face, which I don't socialize. And then they'll talk about you, and they'll grin in your face talking. Why you there? And then they'll say something about you when you leave. Because, see, I
Mm.
got this woman told in another building. I told her she need to keep her ass over there in another building.
Oh,
Excuse the
God.
language, because she, remember, I think I told you this. Because, remember I told you when Mose and I was in the community room one time?
Mm-hmm.
And this woman don't know nothing about me?
Yeah.
I told you that, right?
Yeah, you told me about that.
So you remember that?
I do.
Okay, okay.